Hello guys, you don't tell we'll go live like this. You don't tell. So how on a day now? So I say we'll just come talk about this Aubameyang issue. Where anytime we say the guy don't score for Barcelona, many people gonna come and say they para for Arteta. They talk say Arteta na this, Arteta na that. Say why Arsenal sell the guy go give Barcelona. So it don't really make sense. You get way many people go the para for the guy. It don't make sense at all. So if you wan join us for this tonight's conversation, so na know as we dey do am na, make una just send me request so that I go add una to the show. We go talk about this issue. I know say senior man, how far na?
CHUKS, I agree to you, Baba. You get mouth.
I dey hear you with the earpiece. Wait, man, come on the earpiece, man, over there your voice. Okay,
I dey hear you, Baba. I dey hear you. You dey hear me?
I dey hear you now. Na what for you? I beg you 1
now?
minute. I dey hear you. I dey hear you.
Okay. Sure.
Hey, I don't come back. I dey hear you now. So how far now? What is the matter we dey talk about this Aubameyang issue? It tire me.
Yeah, I want first of all thank you. The way you dey give us update. All Arsenal fan all over the world, Baba, we carry you for heart. Twale, Baba, you too much. If I no hear your update today like this, I know they feel happy. I dey even when they check the notification, make it come, make you have to say, why CHUKS dey delay today? Baba, this Aubameyang matter. See, life, in life, sometimes you need to move from one stage to another to get what you want. Aubameyang matter, if Aubameyang still dey Arsenal, me and you, where we dey now, our position now, we for not dey there because the guy already don't get problem with us. You understand? There's no way he can deliver. Rather, he go dey poison other people. Some players will not play well the way they supposed play. You understand? Because that bond, that love, if you watch now since he come out, you go see that love. Even me say if they score go here, people with me and then they say, what did they do you now? What did they solve? It can't be saying now say but they love us now more than any other thing. What did the club need now? Who go carry us along? Who go they deliver? Yeah. You understand? So he go there happy for the guy. You understand? Now my African brother, I happy for the guy. Me self, I happy for him based on say for there now he's doing well. You understand?
Yeah.
So Aubameyang come out, it no really affect us at all. It no affect us at all, Baba. It no affect us at all. So are they happy for us? Say he's doing well there. Arsenal also is doing well. Check the number of games where we play when Aubameyang dey. How we take the score? We are not scoring. Him too was not scoring. So where is he leading us to? Let's assume he's still in Arsenal. Where is he leading us to by now? Baba, not be this one they talk.
True.
You understand? So make all these bodies where they talk. Now their match, everybody get what you get to here. Make them yarn. What you mean? No say that of 4. It's sure for us, Baba. It's sure for us.
Ade, he sure die. Sure lie.
They like the thing they suit me.
Alright, no wala Baba. Get out now. More other people get out.
Sure.
Right, now. Thanks.
Agree to us.
Hello, senior man. Good evening.
Good evening, Oga CHUKS.
Alright, good evening. How you doing now?
Good evening, no, I did fine. How now?
Baba, thank God, Jare. So I can see this Aubameyang matter now.
Oh boy, forget those people where they jab our Arteta because of our Aubameyang. Aubameyang, we give him the play time to play now, but the guy no show up. He no score go for us the way we want. So we gotta let him to go. I don't see anything where Arteta do wrong in letting him to go. He just want to prove Arteta wrong, say Arteta allow him to go. But since he leave Arsenal has been doing well and we are progressing. So why are we now crying over the split milk? Allow him to go and we are progressing. So that is my own take. I don't see anything wrong in allowing Aubameyang to leave. Since Aubameyang leave Arsenal has been doing well and we have been progressing. So him going is a blessing to us. And you see our boys now, they've been performing. All this time you see they've been performing unlike before. When we put Aubameyang as our top man and he's not performing, he's not giving us the goal we needed. And you see now the team is progressing now. So thumbs up for Arsenal, thumbs up for Arteta. If they can progress like this, the 4th place is sure for us by God's grace.
Amen. I just see that Victor Osimhen matter. Like Shemo could sign Victor Osimhen. It will make sense. £87 million. Not too much.
To me, Victor Osimhen, I no look at like if he can't, if he like if be kind of striker where I like. Well, if Osimhen if he come Arsenal, I believe he will do better with the crop of players we have behind him. Odega and Shaka, Martinelli. He will do better. He will have more goals to score. And the kind of person of Osimhen, who will do better. But that price tag, now me they look at the money. Say, is that money not too much? Arsenal no one spend money like that. If they could bring out the price down, I believe Osimhen is a good addition to Arsenal.
Alright, I know wahala na baba, get mouth. Don't get your
All
own
right,
talk
thank
for
you.
this matter.
Good night now. Thank you
Yeah,
very
good
much.
night. Senior man. Now wow. Try
I
from
greet
us,
you.
not hear from us again.
You don't think.
Okay, now.
I dey busy na cause am.
No yawa na. So I see the matter with the ground.
I don't dey hear wetin people dey talk na Abu matter na dey talk. So for me Abu don comot for Arsenal, don comot for Arsenal. So we got to just allow the guy stay there, do his own thing there. You understand? This one where some fans dey cry over the guy matter. I no see you because he not ready to come back again. So he don't go, if he say he don't go. Make we leave that guy, make we push ahead. You understand? So Abu na him own matter don finish. So for that Osimhen own, for me, I no see wetin Arsenal dey go buy Osimhen for. I dey tell you true. Forget that Osimhen dey do for that place wey they do. That boy if he come Premiership, he no go fit score any goal. You understand me? If you ask me if I be Arteta, only that I don't know about this guy Lewandowski because I don't hear the rumor before say he wan come out for Bayern. I swear I go prefer Arsenal to go collect that Lewandowski. Go collect that. If it's now 2 years contract, you give that guy. Before that guy took that 2 years go expired, we don't find striker wey be say we fit buy. You know why they go for Lewandowski? This guy na person wey be say na the guy don an approved striker he be, everybody know am. He dey score. He dey score. Even though say age don come of age, but he still dey score goals. You understand me? So for that Osimhen, if he bring Osimhen no go fit score goals for Premiership. He go just surprise everybody. Go be like Pepe matter. And by then, you don't check how much we spend pay buy am 80-something million. You no go even see who go collect am for your hand for 50 then again. Because e just like Pepe matter now. Pepe now 50, nobody go buy Pepe 50. Nobody pay 50 million pounds for Pepe head now. So if na me be Arteta, make they forget to see me one side first. The guy dey good, the Nigerian guy. I dey happy for am, but make we go for all those strikers wey they don't know already. No be all this one come dey struggle for Arsenal. No. If we fit get that Lewandowski, they say as the guy they say they come up for Bayern, true. Even if it's not 2 years contract, make they give am. Before they play that 2 years finish, we must see striker. We'll be saying we go buy, we take replace am. We go do carry on with Arsenal. So now wetin me I just feel say I go feel if I be Arteta anyway. But I don't know whether the team say I don't know whether Lewandowski, whether Bayern go allow am comot. But if they go allow am go, me Arsenal go collect that guy. That guy go fit help us. He go fit help us. So
And I didn't see the one buy Haaland to replace I no know whether they go allow am go, but if he go come, you go make sense. Maybe just join us now temporarily, maybe just stay like maybe 1 or 2 years. Like what man you do with Ibrahimovic.
Yes, just 2 years to make no give am past 2 years. 2 years after 2 years, may waka. For that and this the guy now, everybody know Lewandowski na striker will be say defenders they fear because if he get 5 chances, he dey sure say 3 dey enter post, 3 dey cross. You understand me? So if the guy dey free, say we fit collect am, make we leave Osimhen that thing wey they do for that Italian. If you cannot come Premiership, if you no see 1 goal score for 1 season, you understand me? So now so me I see the thing. Well done.
All right, I see my get mouth.
Agree.